There may be a group in Tennessee that has had a quiet but powerful role in shaping how property taxes work. Most people have never heard of it, but its advice has helped guide rules used by lawmakers and property assessors across the state. Those rules affect the value placed on homes, farms, and businesses. That value is what local governments use to calculate property taxes. For years, many assessors have gone to this group's meetings and training events. Offices have paid membership dues, conference fees, and travel costs to take part. Much of that money came from public budgets funded by property taxes. State agencies have also been involved. Staff from the Comptroller's Office have taken part in events, and the University of Tennessee has worked with the group on training and programs. At first glance, it may seem like a normal professional organization, but records from the Tennessee Secretary of State raise serious questions. Those records show the group was formed as a for-profit corporation, not a charity or government body. The same records say the corporation is listed as inactive and revoked by the state. The revocation happened many years ago. That raises an important question for taxpayers. If the group was a for-profit company and its status was revoked, why were public dollars still being used to support it? Did local assessor offices continue to pay dues or fees to this group after the state listed it as inactive? If so, how much money was spent and over how many years? There are also questions about state involvement. Why did the Comptroller's Office provide staff time or support to an organization with this type of corporate record? Why did the University of Tennessee allow its name and resources to be connected to it? Were local governments ever clearly told what kind of organization this really was? These questions matter because property taxes affect nearly every family. The methods used to value property can raise or lower tax bills. When a small group helps shape those methods, it has real influence over how the system works. If public money helped support that group, taxpayers deserve to know the full story. Local officials should be ready to answer simple questions. Has your assessor's office ever paid dues or fees to this group? If so, how much money was spent and in which years? Were payments made when the organization was listed as a for-profit corporation or after it was marked inactive? What help did the Comptroller's Office and the University of Tennessee give to this group? Were taxpayers ever clearly told about this relationship? The public also has the right to see the records. That includes payment records, contracts, and emails that show how local or state officials worked with the group. Transparency is important whenever tax dollars are involved. Property taxes are not just numbers on a form. They are part of the monthly cost of keeping a home or running a business. When there are questions about how the system is guided, people deserve honest answers. This is a good time for voters to ask those questions. Candidates for assessor, mayor, county commission, and the state legislature should explain their position clearly. They should say whether they support continuing ties with this group or not.